Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Students, today in this session we discuss complete fraction chapter in one video. So let us start the session. This session is important for your periodic test too, also important annual exam 2024-25 class 4 DAV Public School. So let us start the session. Students, after this video, then you can understand and explain the concept of fractions, also understand the types of the fractions and to find the equivalent fractions from a given fraction. Now, conversion of the mixed fraction to improper and improper fraction to the mixed fraction, then addition, subtraction and division sum. Okay, so first we understand what is the example of the fractions concept in our real life. Actually this fraction हम को real life रे use करछे. First time telling 30 minute 20 minute means it is the part of the hour. Okay, so now also use in baking like the half spoon of the sugar, half spoon of the salt. Okay, means proper fractions or ingredient are used in the sweet cake. Okay, and also sales and discount like 20%, 30%. 30% means 30 by 100, 20% means 20 by 100. Okay, now also use chocolate distribution on the birthday party like each child get equal number of the chocolate from the total packet. Okay, suppose in total packet there are the 100 chocolate, means each student get 2 chocolate, means 2 by 100. Okay, now manufacture of the jewelry, that is 24 carat and 18 carat. 18 carat means 18 by 24, means we understand the quantity of the gold in the jewelry. Okay, or purity of the gold in the jewelry. And photography means shutter speed, and also using pizza for the kids like the meanwhile time then does not have to battle about the who got more. That's why we equally divide then distribute. Okay, now introduction. The word fraction comes from the Latin word, that is the fractus. Okay, first remember which word fraction is derived, that is the Latin word. Which word? And that is fractus, which means dash, now which means broken part. Okay, now next, what are fractions? Now simply you can say that fractions are the part of the whole. Okay, then what are the examples? Now example is 1 by 2, 3 by 4, then 2 by 3 and 6 by 7. Then 6 is called dash and 7 is called dash. Remember here 6 is called numerator. Okay, and the 3 is called denominator. The ऊपर थी को हमें numerator कहबा, तलटा को हमें denominator कहबा. Okay, now suppose a figure is given and the question is said about write the fractions. So tell me in this figure what is the fraction? First count how many parts are added. Now that is one part, or color, that is one part. So 1 divided by total part 2. So answer is 1 by 2. Similarly in this figure, can you say that write the fraction? Yes. How many parts are color? That is 1, 2 and 3. So 3 divided by total is 4. So answer is 3 by 4. Clear? So next, types of the fractions. There are different types of the fractions are there. So one is equivalent fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, unit fraction and mixed fraction or mixed number. Okay, now we discuss one by one. First is equivalent fraction. So tell me what is equivalent fraction? Now you remember equivalent fractions which express some part of the whole but the different name are called equivalent fraction. Or simply you remember when we multiply except 0 and 1, that is 2, 3, 4, both numerator and the denominator, we get the fraction is called the equivalent fraction of this given fraction. Means suppose question is 1 by 2. Suppose we multiply 1 by 2 with 5 and here is 5. So 1 5 is how much? 5. 2 5 is how much? 10. So 5 by 10 is equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. Clear? So how many equivalent fraction we can find? Now remember there are the many equivalent fraction we can find. Clear? Now question solve करो. Change 4 by 9 into equivalent fractions with numerator equal to 20. Numerator equal to 20 means 4 by 9 equal to numerator is 20 means we find the denominator. Tell me 4 becomes how 20? Now into 5. Similarly 9 into 5 that is 45. So answer is 20 by 45. Okay. Now missing numerator of the denominator of the equivalent fraction, how to find? Check. 3 into dash, 3 by 7 equal to dash by 14. So tell me 7 into dash equal to 14. Now into 2, because when we multiply 2 with 7 then it becomes 14. Similarly 3 into 2 equal to 6. So answer is 6 by 14. Okay. Now next one 5 by 9. So 5 by 9 equal to 30 by question mark or box. How to find? Now tell me 5 into dash. Now 5 into 6 equal to 30. Similarly we multiply this number that is 6 with denominator that is 9. So 6 9 is 54. Okay. Now next one division. So 30 divided by 5 that is 6. Similarly 45 divided by 5 equal to 9. So answer is 6 by 9. Understand how to find the numerator of the missing numerator and denominator. Now next, check for the equivalence of the two fractions. How to check the equivalent? These fractions are equivalent or not? How? Now first write the fraction that is 2 by 3 and 10 by 15. Now cross multiply. 2 into 15 how much? Now that is 30. Then 3 into 10 how much? Now that is also 30. If they are same, yes. So they are equivalent fractions. Okay. Now find the questions, solve. Okay, the first one dash divided by 3 equal to 12 by 8. So check 18 divided with 6 equal to 3, yes or no? Similarly 12 divided by 6 how much? 2. So answer is 2 here. So simply 20 divided by 10 equal to 2. 10 equal to 10 equal to how much? 1, or simply cancel 0. Okay. Now here 24 divided by 6 4. Then 18 divided by 6 how much? 3. Now 5 into 8, then 3 into 8 24. Understand? Now 0 0 cancel, that is 1. Here is 50 divided with 5 that is 10. 45 divided with 5 that is 9. 4 into 5 20. 3 into 5 that is 15. 8 into 7 56. 5 into 7 35. Understand? Now next coming to the next part, that is the like fraction. What is like fraction? Now fractions having the same denominator are called the like fraction. Like example 3 by 8, 6 by 8, 9 by 8. All the fractions are equal denominator. Yes or no? 8, 8, 8. This type of fractions are called like fraction. This is important. Direct one more questions are Sibo. Remember, fractions having same denominator are called dash, are called like fraction. Okay. And also remember, these like fraction can be added or subtracted. Okay. Now the fraction with the same denominator are called dash. Simply a question dash, a very very important question. Okay. That is the answer is like. Next, unlike fraction. Simple. Denominator are different are called unlike fractions. Okay. Now proper fraction. Fractions where the numerator are the smaller than the denominator. Numerator is smaller than the denominator is called proper fraction. That is example 1 by 2, 5 by 6, 3 by 4 and 5 by 8. Means numerator is always smaller. Okay. It's called proper fraction. Also remember, the value of the proper fraction is always less than 1. Means jete bhi proper fractions achi always less than 1. Suppose one example 5 by 17 is dash 1 less than. Okay. All the proper fractions is always less than 1. Next, improper fraction. Improper fraction means reverse of the proper fraction. That is numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay. And also remember, all the improper fraction is always greater than 1. Okay. So examples of the improper fraction is 33 by 5, 16 by 9, 99 by 25, 12 by 5, 22 by 10. All are improper fraction, means denominator is smaller than numerator or numerator is greater than denominator. Okay. Next, unit fraction. Simply remember, fractions having 1 as the numerator is called unit fraction. Example 1 by 5, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 7, okay, etc. So tell me, what is unit fraction? Now the fractions having 1 as numerator is called the unit fraction. Example 1 by 2. Okay. Now, next, mixed number or also known as mixed fraction. Improper fractions is always written in the combination of the natural number and the proper fraction is called mixed number. Remember, if the improper fraction, suppose 22 by 7, means these fractions is written as a whole or natural number with proper fraction, okay, is called mixed number. Example 3 whole 1 by 5. How to read? 3 whole 1 by 5. 6 whole 2 by 3. 7 whole 6 by 8. Here is proper, here is natural number, okay, and 3, it is known as natural number, it is known as proper fractions, okay. Mixed number means combination of the natural number and proper fraction, okay. Now convert 68 divided by 13 into mixed number. How to convert? Now simply first you division, like 68 divided with 13, 13 5 ja 65, here is 3. Now this becomes numerator and this quotient becomes natural part and it is denominator, that is 5 whole 3 by 13, 5 whole 3 by 13, okay. Now fractions are division, okay. So how to write the fractions are division? Now if the division, a fraction is written, that is 2 by 5, so you can write 2 division 5, okay. Some example 17 by 5, 17 divided by 5, this is known as fractions as division. Now 9 by 5, 9 divided 5, okay. Next, changing fraction or convert improper fraction to mixed number. How to convert? Now 14 divided by 5. First we divide. So divide 14 divided by 5 means 5 2 ja 5 2 ja 10. So remainder is how much? Now 4. So this is called divisor, yes or no? And this is called remainder. This is called quotient. Quotient is called natural number. When we write improper fraction to mixed number, the quotient becomes natural part, that is 2 whole 4 by 5. Answer, okay. Next, mixed number to improper fractions. How? Now first we multiply natural number with denominator, natural number with denominator plus numerator, okay. Simply 33 3 is 100 plus 1, that is 100 by 99 plus 100 by 3. So answer is 100 by 3, okay. Then suppose other example is 2 whole 3 by 7. How to convert? Now first we multiply 2 7 is how much? 14. Now addition with 3 divided by 7. So 14 plus 3 17, 17 by 7, answer, okay. Next, activity. You can solve simply activity, okay. Now I am comparing now first fractions. What is the meaning of the fraction? It is a part of the whole and upper I am numerator, third I am denominator. Types, that is proper, improper, mixed, equivalent, like and unlike, okay. Our example proper means numerator is less than denominator, improper numerator is greater than denominator, mix means natural part and proper, equivalent means when we multiply except 0 and 1 then we get the equivalent fraction, like fraction means denominator are same, Different denominator means is called unlike fractions. Also know the addition. How to addition? Addition means if the denominator is same. First we remember like fraction can be added or subtracted. Suppose one number is 3 by 5, 1 by 5. How to solve? Now only write the denominator, that is 5. Only subtract the numerator, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 5. Simply 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5. They are different denominator. How to solve? If the different denominator, first we same the denominator. How to same? এটা তো আমার এক্সামে আসিবনি। ওকে, এটাকে আমি নেক্সট এক্সামে কোন সরি আমি যেতবে কোশ্চেন প্র্যাকটিস করিবা এটাকে আমি বুঝিয়ে দেবি। ওকে, ঠিক আছে। নেক্সট, additions of like and unlike fractions same. Simply write down the 5, then 1 plus 2, that is 3 by 5. Okay, now types of fractions. Part of the fraction you already know. Fraction, what is fraction, what is equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions examples. Suppose 1 by 2 equivalent is 2 by 4 or 3 by 8. Okay, sorry, 3 to 3 by 6. These are the equivalent fraction. Like fraction denominator same. Okay, so completed. Learning outcomes means আমি already জানি পাইলে what is fractions and what is the fractions in the real life, and also find the fractions from the given fractions, that is the equivalent fractions, and addition, subtraction, and converting, and types of the fractions, and convert from the mixed number to improper, improper to mixed number. Yes or no? All of you understand? যদি ভিডিওটি পছন্দ লাগে ভিডিওକୁ লাইক এন্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব করিব। So thank you.